Which black ink do I use when rubber stamping? Hi, I'm Lisa Brown with Ink and Inspirations, and after you watch this video, you will understand the difference between Memento Black ink and Jet Black StazOn and how to use them. First, let's talk about Memento Black ink. This is a water-based, fast-drying ink that you use when you are using your alcohol markers such as Stampin' Blends, so that when you have the water-based ink, it doesn't react with the alcohol-based and doesn't run. So this is the time to use this. I also use Memento Black ink when I'm stamping and I just want a black image, or when I'm stamping a sentiment and I want it black. It gives a good, crisp, clear image or sentiment when you're using it for stamping that way. Now let's talk about StazOn. StazOn is an alcohol-based ink. It's called a solvent ink. So it is to be used with water-based markers, such as Stampin' Write markers, or when you're watercoloring, okay? So if you used alcohol markers with this solvent-based ink, it would smear. So the best way to remember it is you have alcohol-based ink, then you're going to use a water-based color medium. If you use the water-based ink, you want to use the alcohol-based color medium. I hope that gives you a better understanding of when to use these two different types of black ink. And if you have other questions or you just like to learn more about paper crafting, be sure and visit inkandinspirations.com, and also subscribe here to my YouTube channel and click the little bell so you can get notification of my new videos. I'm Lisa Brown with Ink and Inspiration, inspiring you to create, share, and make a difference. Have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.